My dad was a person who cared deeply about the quality of life for everyone and making sure that justice was carried out fairly.
The concept basically was that there wasn't too much justice in America. Now that opened the door, and then we said, well, why don't we start a nonprofit?
It was their 35th Harvard Law School reunion, and they were so frustrated with corporate law that they wanted to create an organization to find out what was wrong in the community and take a systemic approach to changing it and making it better.
Progressive, like-minded attorneys around this city and around this state who want to solve the problems that are facing Massachusetts citizens.
I've never liked bullies, and when I became an adult, I saw that there were a lot of bullies. There were corporate bullies, there were government bullies.
So many other legal service or public interest type programs have very rigid boundaries. What I love about it is that Appleseed has opportunities to do things and engage in struggles that other groups, for all kinds of reasons, don't have.
Appleseed tries to find evidence-based solutions to social justice problems by working from the ground up.
Systemic problems that government or private industry are not able to address, to create practical solutions to big problems such as homelessness.
I lived in a shelter, I've been in hospitals, it's been real tough. I just basically have to have hope. I just feel like everything will get better. And that's the only way that I can get through the day.
We have focused on inequities in education, rights of appeal to parents whose children had been expelled from public school.
How do I advocate for my child? How do I get my child the education that I'm in this country so that he can have?
He didn't want the organization to have a specific agenda.
Self-represented litigants would come to courthouses all over Massachusetts and be turned away because they had a cell phone. A working mother, she goes to a hearing at housing court and she can't enter the courthouse because she cannot bring her cell phone in. So she can choose to leave her cell phone under a bush. She can leave and default on the hearing. Well, Appleseed uncovered this problem, studied it, and wrote a report on it, and now it is under review in Massachusetts. It's also been taken up at a national level. We can solve this problem.
He wanted so badly for people to get together to convene and solve problems.
What we do is a long play. How do we solve a problem for good?
I think my father would be very proud of Appleseed's access to justice initiatives.
They really saw the rule of law as the foundation of what makes a just society.
I think if Jack were still involved in Appleseed and he was here, what he would want would be the opportunity to thank you and to thank the people who have devoted their entire professional careers to this type of work.
Because Appleseed really, in the areas it's worked in, has produced a lot of justice for people in need of it.
That actions of government and professionals should inure to the benefit of the least advantaged members of society.